In this video, we will discuss the ideas of community of practice, situated cognition, and their relationship with authentic activities. In the real world, tasks are accomplished by individuals working in teams or as part of a larger system, not as individuals. In the case of authentic learning, there are two parts of the learning community. First, there is a community of learners unraveling a problem. Second, problems are grounded in real experiences of the community. By learning in community with their peers, students experience increased reasoning and understanding of the course content, higher engagement and retention, increased self-esteem and quality of interpersonal interactions, sense of support for their studies, as well as increased higher order learning. Community-based problems are those in which the community is a partner in the learning process. These activities are experiential in nature and break down the divisions between classroom and life experiences. The Brown reading focuses on the idea of situated cognition and the culture of learning. The main idea discussed in this reading is that an activity, the underlying concept behind that activity, and the culture or domain of that activity are dependent. One of these cannot be understood without understanding the other two, and that learning must involve all three components. In order to use these three components, a student, like an apprentice, must enter the communities of practice and its culture, and hence, learning becomes a process of enculturation. They may need to be exposed to the conceptual tools of that domain in an authentic way using authentic activities. Authentic activity is important for learners because it is the only way they gain access to the standpoint that enables practitioners to act meaningfully and purposefully. Situated cognition posits that knowing and doing are not separate, and that knowledge is situated in authentic activities bound to social, physical, and cultural contexts. Cognitive apprenticeship model is an important aspect of situated cognition. So the cognitive apprenticeship model is based on the premise that when a novice has to learn a certain trade, they are inducted as apprentices of experts in that field. This way, the novice is exposed to authentic activities of the field, and by doing those activities in a real context, the novice, with practice and over time, eventually becomes an expert. For more information, watch this video on situated learning.